If you've ever spent time changing fonts, changing spacing, or formatting while taking your notes, you're not alone. Most note taking tools focus on how notes look like, but that often slows you down. In this video, I'll show you how to use Markdown to take clean, structured notes without formatting at all. Markdown is a simple way to format text by just using plain characters. Instead of using menus, you just type symbols to structure your notes the way you want. It may look very basic at first, but it's actually very powerful and much faster to use. Let me show you a few basics. To create a heading, you just type a hash symbol followed by your text. To create a second level heading, you just tap two hash symbols followed by yours. If you want to create a list, it's very simple. You just use dashes. If you want to make your text bold, then you use two asterisks at the beginning and end of your text. That's it. You do not need to open any menus. You just write either your hash symbols or asterisk symbols or hyphens, and the structure is created as you go along. How much more simple can it get? What's the main advantage of Markdown, you might ask? The main advantage of Markdown is that it removes friction. You stay focused on writing instead of switching constantly between writing and formatting. Your notes are way cleaner because the structure is very consistent. And because it's just plain text, your notes are very easy to use across different tools, including with AI. You're not formatting anything, you're just writing, which is the point, isn't it? If you combine Markdown with a very simple note taking system, it becomes even more effective because now you're not just writing faster, you're also organizing your ideas better.